In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional t-shirt mock-up in Photoshop. First, click on the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle on the area of the t-shirt where you want your design to appear. Choose the fill color and set the stroke to none. Right-click on the rectangle and choose Convert to Smart Object. Rename this Smart Object as Place Design Here. Next, double-click on the Smart Object, then go to the File menu, select Place Embedded, choose the design you want, and click Place. Hold Shift while resizing the design to maintain proportions, then press Enter. When you're happy with the placement, simply save and close the Smart Object. Now change the blending mode of the Smart Object layer to Multiply so that it blends naturally with the t-shirt fabric. If needed, press Ctrl-T to resize or adjust the Smart Object. With the Smart Object layer selected, click on the FX icon and open Blending Options. Hold down Alt and drag the slider of the underlying layer to the left to make the design blend more realistically with the texture of the shirt. And that's it. Your t-shirt mock-up is ready. Since we're using a Smart Object, you can easily update the design anytime. Just double-click on the Smart Object, replace it with a new design, and save. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more Photoshop tips and tricks.